Jessica Whitaker here, and today I will be answering the question that scientists have been trying to figure out for centuries: how to take the best, most flattering Instagram photographs. I'm going to cover a couple different subjects, including how to pose to get the best angles for your iPhone lens, how to look super tall in your photographs, how to make the most when it comes to lighting, because lighting in mobile photography is key, but it's also very specific. I'm so stoked to get started. We are here in beautiful Lincoln Center for these photos today, and we're about to go meet up with our model Jordan, who I'm so excited for you guys to meet. Lincoln Center is beautiful. I love the tones and the architecture. There's a lot of lines going on, and of course we have classic NYC taxi cabs. Now, before we meet up with Jordan, I do want to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Whether you need a website, domain, or an online store, you can make it with Squarespace. You guys, I've been using Squarespace for years and years for not only my own website, but also my nonprofit Build and Bloom's website. It's an all-in-one platform that is extremely user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need a computer science degree to create a beautiful professional website that you will be proud to share with your clients. Squarespace has dozens of beautiful designer templates to choose from that put your photography center stage. Get it? Because we're at Lincoln Center. Anyways, they have award-winning 24/7 customer support, as well as an extremely detailed help desk. So what are you waiting for? Start your free trial today. You guys can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. It's getting a little bit cold. Let's go meet up with Jordan. Okay, so we are here with Jordan.
Hi guys!
Tell them about yourself.
Okay, well, first of all, I'm so excited to be here. I literally love all of your stuff, so I'm so excited that we're friends and we like met each other.
Thank you for being here. I could not imagine anyone more perfect for this video, so thank you.
I am honored. I live in New York. I'm a video coordinator at the Food Network. I help create, produce, publish a lot of our social content and a lot of our recipe videos, which is really fun. But on the side, and what I've been doing for a really long time, is I have my own YouTube channel, Jordan Rebecca. Check it out.
Very fun. All her stuff, Instagram, YouTube, linked down below.
Yes. YouTube is super fun because I take you guys along on like my life at work and life in New York, so it's really fun. Come check me out.
Go take a look, let her know that you came from this video. Be sure to subscribe, and let's hop into all of the tips. Okay, y'all, first tip, you have to have good lighting.
Either direct sunlight or being like in the shade is the best. Always make sure that the sun is never behind you. I think that's like such a huge issue
backlit.
For people. Like, you never want to be backlit. That is just counterproductive.
No, that's very true. With mobile photography, your phone can only handle so much data, so much science. It's not a DSLR, so backlit photos, you're gonna usually become very washed out. So try to avoid that with the old iPhone. Let's actually hop into the first posing tip. Are you ready?
I'm so ready. I just like walk around and hope that I get a good picture, so I'm actually really excited to learn some posing tips.
As our good friend Drake says, know your angles, know yourself. You want to hold the camera low. The lens should be aligned with the torso, like the belly button almost. You don't want to be too low where it's going to look kind of wonky and warped. Like, you don't want to do this unless you want intentionally that angle. I suggest about here. But if I were to lift my camera lens, see, it's not as flattering. It doesn't necessarily look bad, but the background is full of the ground. Whereas you hold it down, she not only looks really tall, but also it's a little bit, it puts more attention on the subject. Now I'm gonna start shooting. So cute. Wait, this is so cute. And I have her framed between these two buildings, which looks super cute. And one thing you want to keep in mind with Instagram vertical crop is a little bit smaller than the iPhone vertical. So you want to leave a little bit of room. I always say you can crop later. Wait for this guy to pass by. In New York City, it's all about patience when it comes to photos, but these are looking so cute.
Oh my gosh.
So cute. So see how just like having it at that low, like, wait, yes. Okay, super cute.
Red.
Okay, now it's time for torso shots. See, if I shot her like this, it's a lot of ground. If I shoot lower, I get more of the buildings, I get more of the cabs. Look to the side real quick. Yeah, cute, 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 cute. You could, of course, shoot from a high angle if you would like this, but you're gonna see that it's a lot of ground. So the lower, in my opinion, the better. Yep, and lean into the shot. I think leaning in, just, I don't know, it adds a bit of a movement, and then lift your face up. Yes, cute. Now, can you kind of cross both your arms over? Wait, this is so cute. When it comes to that lower angle, the reason you want to lean is just because you are shooting from lower and it looks a little bit more natural. It adds a little bit more movement. It kind of eliminates, you know, when you open up the front facing camera, you're like, yeah, it kind of eliminates and just makes everything look super flattering. Sometimes you do want to keep your face up just so the light hits it, but I think it's a really unique angle.
Like as the model, it didn't feel natural to lean in like that, but I think the end result was so much better. And like when you actually saw the picture, you couldn't tell that I was leaning in.
Right.
It was more of just like, it made everything work.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay.
I'm learning so much.
Yay. Okay, let's move into some sitting photos.
Okay, great.
All right, so we're gonna do some sitting down shots. So I'm gonna have you take a seat. Okay. Take a seat on the wild side, just how you normally would, just after a long day. I'm so tired. Okay, so one of my biggest tips is to sit halfway off of the seat, if not about to fall off of the edge of it. This will just naturally kind of force you to like pull yourself up. Perfect. Okay, and then my next tip is going to be, I'll have you cross your legs real quick.
Like this?
Yeah, like over the knee. And then with your, this foot that's down, kind of like point up onto the ball of your foot. And so this will elongate your legs nicely. So do you guys see how this, oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. Okay, so do you guys see how this is a lot more flattering than, so see how she even right here, it's still cute, it's still really cute, but she kind of gets lost a bit. So have you scoot back? Perfect. And then again, cross the legs, point the feet. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. Super, super cute. And if you guys even want to take it one step further, another thing is just always to be pointing the toes down. So if she were to, Jordan, do you mind? Yep, perfect. You see when you like kind of flip the foot up, even if it's just a slight bit, because that's what feels natural, it's kind of cutting off the leg. So if you want to look tall in the photographs and you want it to be the most flattering, I really suggest implementing these tips. So we can even do this with the holding the lens down, holding the phone down. Perfect. And you know what? Let's even get the waistline in there. So we'll have you kind of open your jacket a bit. Yes. Okay. Cute. So, so, so cute. And again, I'm leaving a lot of room just for cropping, and the light is perfect right now. And I'll even have you now scoot a little bit further off, just if that's possible. Okay, yes. Okay, cute, 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 cute. So we get her waistline in there. We get legs looking nice and long. Just everything is very elongated. Now we're gonna get some quick little torso shots. So again, I'm gonna hold my the camera down. So it's kind of, the lens is in line almost with her collarbone. This to me, just again, is that lower angle. Look at this nice sunlight too. This is so pretty. Yes, okay, you guys see that? Wait, take notes, kids. This is so cute. Okay, queen. Okay. Instagram, please prepare right now for these very cute photos. So you guys have been warned. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you learned something. How are you feeling?
Well, I learned a ton. I literally just like walk around the street and like my friends take photos of me, and I hope that it turns out well. So I actually learned so many, like,
now you can like send them this video.
Yes.
Send this to like anyone who you need to get that perfect angle.
Yeah. And even as a model, like I learned so much, not that I'm a model, but as the Instagram model today, I learned so much about like posing, and like even though something might feel a little bit weird, it actually really works in the photo.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Yes, you're so welcome. Thank you for coming. Of
course.
Make sure to go check out Jordan's YouTube and her Instagram linked down below. Subscribe for more photography video tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.